So guys, me day here tonight. I don't want to rice and then dumping on the hot food. You know, just there I cook some plantain porridge, green plantain porridge and some cornmeal blend together and I cook now. So you know we are doing sweetening process. You see it? So you know we have pressed piece of green plantain too, but you know you have to fry them first. Then they soak properly and then you press them for a better result. Yeah? So yes guys, you know tonight we don't really want to ask for or nothing to eat, so we have boiled some porridge. This porridge is green plantain and cornmeal blend together and now we are boiling. So you know it done boil already, so we are doing sweetening process. Yeah. And then over here so now we are fry piece of green plantain same way, but we are gonna press them one here. So you know we are gonna make it soak properly to get a better press result. So yes guys, this is dinner, plantain, chicken and caramel with green plantain porridge. Tastes good, very tasty and nice. Very tasty and nice. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So yes guys, I'm just enjoying the view from my shop. You know me there just a look on the moon. Like it a peep out from behind the cloud. It look pretty. I wait to go in the dark now. No? Oh yeah, see. So yes guys, me just a go on a little view.
Last night.
What you not saying? Man, chip baby spot and brownie there go and look out for the moon. Oh, you love ice eat so. In spot? Not easy.